12 Unbelievable Benefits of Turmeric You Never Knew. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the unbelievable benefits of turmeric, a vibrant spice that's more than just a kitchen staple. In this video, we'll explore its incredible health benefits, from boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin's glow. But that's not all. We'll also uncover some lesser-known uses of turmeric that can elevate your overall well-being, making it a must-have in your daily routine. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about natural remedies, you're in for a treat. So, stick around as we reveal how this golden spice can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, primarily due to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin works by inhibiting various molecules that play a role in inflammation, making it a natural ally for those suffering from chronic conditions. Research suggests that turmeric may help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, heart disease, and even certain autoimmune disorders. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can promote overall health and well-being. If you're looking for a natural way to manage inflammation, consider incorporating turmeric into your diet. Whether in smoothies, teas, or as a spice in your meals, this golden wonder can be a game-changer for your health. Antioxidant benefits. Turmeric is packed with powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, a key contributor to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. The primary antioxidant in turmeric, curcumin, helps neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Additionally, turmeric contains other beneficial compounds, such as turmerone, which further enhance its antioxidant effects. To maximize your antioxidant intake, consider adding turmeric to your diet in various forms, whether as a spice in your cooking, blended into smoothies, or brewed as a tea. By incorporating turmeric regularly, you can support your cellular health and bolster your body's defenses against oxidative damage. Digestive health. Turmeric is a fantastic ally for digestive health, primarily due to its ability to stimulate bile production, which aids in the digestion of fats. This natural spice can help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion, making meals more enjoyable. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric also contribute to a healthier gut lining, promoting overall gut health. If you're looking to enhance your digestion, consider trying turmeric-infused recipes like golden milk, turmeric rice, or even adding it to soups and stews. By incorporating turmeric into your meals, you can support your digestive system and enjoy a more comfortable, balanced gut. Skin health. Turmeric is a powerhouse for skin health, thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities make it effective in treating various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. For a natural skincare boost, consider trying DIY turmeric face masks. For example, mixing turmeric with honey creates a soothing mask that can brighten your complexion and reduce redness. Another option is combining turmeric with yogurt for a hydrating treatment that helps combat blemishes. By exploring turmeric as a natural skincare ingredient, you can harness its benefits for a clearer, healthier complexion. Embrace this golden spice and elevate your beauty routine naturally. Heart health. Turmeric is a valuable addition to your heart health regimen, primarily due to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve overall heart function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Several studies have linked regular turmeric consumption with a reduced risk of heart disease, highlighting its potential to support cardiovascular wellness. By incorporating turmeric into your meals, whether in curries, smoothies, or teas, you can take proactive steps toward a heart-healthy diet. Embrace this golden spice and make it a staple in your kitchen to help protect your heart and enhance your overall well-being. Brain function. Turmeric holds promising potential for enhancing brain health, largely due to curcumin, its active compound. Research suggests that curcumin may help improve memory and cognitive function by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein linked to learning and memory. Additionally, studies indicate that turmeric may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's by combating inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. To support your cognitive health, consider incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, whether in your morning smoothie, sprinkled on meals, or brewed as a tea. Embrace this golden spice to nourish your brain and promote long-term cognitive vitality. Weight management. Turmeric can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey, primarily due to curcumin, which may help regulate fat metabolism and reduce the risk of obesity. Research indicates that curcumin can influence various metabolic processes, promoting fat breakdown and preventing fat accumulation. To incorporate turmeric into your meals, try adding it to soups, stir-fries, or smoothies for an extra flavor boost. You can also make turmeric-infused teas or golden milk for a delicious, healthful drink. By considering turmeric as a natural aid in your weight management efforts, you can enhance your diet and support your goals for a healthier lifestyle. Joint health. Turmeric is a powerful ally for joint health, primarily due to its anti-inflammatory properties that can significantly alleviate joint pain. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve mobility in individuals suffering from arthritis. Several studies indicate that turmeric can effectively manage arthritis symptoms, providing relief from stiffness and discomfort. If you're looking to support your joint health, consider exploring turmeric supplements or incorporating turmeric-rich recipes into your diet, such as curries or golden milk. By making turmeric a part of your daily routine, you can promote healthier joints and enhance your overall quality of life. Immune system support. Turmeric is a fantastic natural booster for your immune system, thanks to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help strengthen the immune response and fight off infections. By reducing inflammation and supporting overall health, turmeric can play a vital role in keeping your immune system robust. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, consider adding it to immune-supportive recipes like soups, smoothies, or golden milk. You can also sprinkle it on roasted vegetables or mix it into salad dressings. By using turmeric regularly, you can enhance your immunity naturally and promote better health year-round. Mood enhancement. Turmeric may offer potential mood-enhancing effects, largely due to curcumin, its active compound. Studies have linked curcumin to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression, suggesting it can positively influence mental well-being. By modulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, curcumin may help elevate your mood and promote emotional balance. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, consider adding it to foods that support mental health, such as smoothies, soups, or even baked goods. By embracing turmeric as part of a holistic approach to mental health, you can enhance your overall well-being and foster a more positive outlook on life. May help prevent and treat cancer. Turmeric's star player, curcumin, is like a superhero for your cells. It swoops in to block the growth of rogue cancer cells and even cuts off their blood supply, making it harder for tumors to thrive. It's not just fighting one battle. Curcumin attacks cancer from multiple angles, preventing it from spreading and growing. Research shows it can be a powerful ally alongside conventional cancer treatments. Imagine curcumin as the vigilant guard, always ready to step in and protect your body from cancer's sneaky plans. Supports liver health. Your liver is the body's detox headquarters, and turmeric is its best sidekick. Curcumin helps boost the production of enzymes that flush out toxins, keeping your liver in peak condition. It's like giving your liver a superhero cape, empowering it to fight off harmful invaders and repair damage. Whether it's battling the effects of a late-night party or helping prevent liver disease, turmeric ensures your liver stays healthy and strong. Think of curcumin as the ultimate detox partner, ensuring your body's natural filter runs smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we explored the incredible benefits of turmeric, highlighting its powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. We discussed how curcumin can enhance brain function, support joint health, and even improve mood, along with its lesser-known uses in promoting overall well-being. As you consider incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, remember the various ways it can positively impact your health. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our content. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family, and explore our related content for more insights on living a healthier life.